How to remove your nickname on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your nickname on VK. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points, and after that click edit profile and scroll down until you find the personal info, and here we'll find nickname. Now click on it, delete it and click save, type your password and send, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.